Jason from Alpha Electronics. What have you got to show us today?
So we've got a range of socket and C products. What we're demonstrating today is our range of electrical safe isolation. So we've got here one of our proprietary 2-pole voltage indicators, which is the VIP 150. It's literally pure voltage indication. Takes no batteries, doesn't do continuity or anything like that, purely for proving live or dead. It's got GS38 tip compliance probes, so again, there's no sort of shrouds or anything to lose, but you can still access all difficult terminals. Again, all of the leads are dual insulated wear indicating. So again, if you ever get a nick, you'll find it's like white underneath. So again, when you're doing a visual check of your equipment, you know full well it's in good order. In terms of what we've got here, this is our SP400 proving unit. Now with this particular proving we can test either 2-pole indicators and we can also test non-contact voltage indicators as well. Literally, if I connect this in, what you'll then find is that it'll ramp up the voltage. Oops. Me breaking it. Here we go. So you'll see that the voltage increases. So this tests up to 690 volts, and then afterwards what you'll find is it'll then decay the voltage, and as it's doing that you can see that the lamps are going down actually on the voltage indicator as well. This actually produces a true 50 Hertz AC waveform, so again it's as close to being able to prove on a real circuit that people are going to be working on. The nice thing with this as well, like I say, so we've got a standard sort of volt pen, as you will. This particular one, the VVD Pro, it goes from 50 to 1,000 volts, and like many of our products, it's Cat 4 rated. So again, this particular one can be used by a multitude of different trades. It can be used obviously by people working on the network, and similarly it can be used by people working obviously domestic commercially. And again, with this particular proving unit, if you press down the button, what you'll then find is you can actually test your non-contact tester as well.
That's a really good idea, that.
This particular one, yeah. So again, we've got a light, we've got an oscillator inside, so even if people are using it for, if they've got like PPE on, if they've got ear defenders, if they're hard of hearing, the point being is you can always feel through the oscillator, and again, you can always see the bright LED as well.
Great.
So yeah, got a range of things, so if people want to come and have a chat, feel free.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem at all. Cheers.